Guys, this is Abhijit and welcome to another brand new video on this channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys how you can import any product from USA to India or any other country. So long story short, few months back a USA based Amazon seller contacted me for making a review video on my YouTube channel for their CCTV camera. There are so many e-commerce websites in USA and majority of them do not ship their product internationally. But if you desperately want to buy a product that is only available in USA and you don't live there, so what you going to do? So here is my story about buying a product from Amazon.com which is not deliverable to my address. The seller emailed me the product link, also offered me 99% discount coupon in return of making a YouTube review video. The price of the product was 139 USD, around 10,000 Indian rupees, and after applying the coupon it's become so cheap, little more than $1. But my only problem is I live in India and the seller ships the product within USA. So I did some Google search and tried to find how to buy from USA to India, and I found couple of companies that provide parcel forwarding service. Few of those companies are shop2ship.com, USGOBUY.com, borderlinux.com, ship7.com and many others. And after doing some research, I chose USGOBUY because of their low shipping rate compared to others. So I went to USGOBUY.com and signed up for free. They provide me a personal address based on USA so that I can use the address to ship my product. Then I open Amazon.com, add the CCTV camera on my card, then choose USA shipping address provided by USGOBUY.com. Also apply the 99% discount coupon and pay only 104 Indian rupees using my debit card. You need an international transaction enabled credit card or debit card for doing this payment. Order was successfully placed. Also 114 rupees was debited from my bank account. 2 days later, the package is delivered to my USGOBUY address. USGOBUY also provides 60 days free package storage period. That means you can store your package in USGOBUY warehouse for 60 days absolutely free. 1 week later, I also bought another item and ship it to my USGOBUY address. After receiving both of these two items at USGOBUY warehouse, it will show up on their website in my package arrived section. Then I select both of them and click on first shipment to place the shipment to my address. Now here we can declare the value of our packages. This is very important. On 39 USD camera I declared only 19.99 USD. Here is why. If I declared the value 139, then I probably have to pay 50 USD or more as customs duty. If I declare 1.5 USD which I originally paid for the item, then I will be unbelievable to the customs and then they will charge arbitrary amount as tax for the item. So I declared 19.99 for the security camera to save some money on customs duty. After declaring the value, I click on continue. Then I add my full shipping address on this form. Then we need to choose shipping method. Before doing that, we need to declare the product name that will be displayed on the invoice. I chose the cheapest shipping method. Here it is Aramax Express Mail. Now here I face the main problem. The problem is to pay USGOBUY for shipping. For security reason, they don't allow pay using PayPal for new user from few countries and India is one of them. Only VIP members from those countries are allowed to pay using PayPal. Alipay also supported but need a Chinese bank card and I don't have that. Wire transfer cost $15 extra as transaction charges, which is insane. So my best payment option is Web Money. So I created an account in Web Money and I paid 39.55 USD for £3 package shipped to India. And after 2 weeks later, the package is delivered to my address and I paid around 1400 Indian rupees as a tax. The package is around 1.5 kg. So guys, let's cut this package open and see what's inside. And guys, here is the camera and here is another camera. And guys, these two wireless security camera review coming soon. And thanks for watching this video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. That being said, my name is Roy. I'm signing out and meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.